Her biryani is so damn good. Oh shit.
Okay.
Hey guys, welcome back to our podcast. My name is Iman. I'm a Gen Z.
Hi, I'm Faiza. I'm millennial and her mother.
And today I just wanted to address one thing is that we are very late on the schedule of posting.
Yeah, due to her final paper. Finally she finished
Finally?
her boards.
Oh my
And immediately after that their prom and then Eid. So because of that we were a little delayed to upload our episodes. Please excuse us. And we are uploading now.
Yeah, every Monday. So stay tuned. Anyway, so today,
As I gave on our previous episode, hint,
Yeah.
it's Garmi ki chutti. And
that was a
boy-
very obvious hint, let's be honest.
yeah, so today's topic is Garmi ki chutti, and boy, it is Garmi.
I agree, it's
Man,
so
it's
hot.
hot everywhere.
I would never expected it to be like so hot to the point where light ja rahi hai Kuwait mein. It's like,
Yeah, like we are in that kind of position in Kuwait that there's a shortage of electricity.
guys.
Of course, the Kuwait is being now on the top one list, being the hottest country in the world.
Yeah,
The
Kuwait,
temperature is
50 degrees and above.
what 50?
50 degrees.
Yeah, it's coming to around 60 degree in the
Yeah.
desert area. So
Yay!
everybody keep hydrated, stay away in heat if it's not necessary, and take care of your health.
Guys, this shows how much of a mother she is.
Yeah, I'm a mom.
Yeah.
And
So
it's
today
so-
it's Garmi ki chutti because Garmi ki
It's
chutti
summer
shuru ho chuki
holiday.
hai.
It's like summer vacation, summer holidays,
Yeah.
right? और गर्मी की छुट्टी का सबसे बड़ा what?
I feel like the biggest
Sleep in, of
sleeping in and homework, holiday homework. Oh god.
No,
Holiday
I think
homework.
the biggest thing that people wait all around. Not me particularly because
We don't travel in Garmi ki
we
chutti.
don't travel. We don't travel in summer. It's just way too hot. It's traveling back to Pakistan
Or just your
Or-
home country.
to home country. Yeah, for us because we're Pakistanis.
Or
Of
Pakistanis.
course, we're talking about Pakistan.
Yeah.
And in Pakistan also it's really hot, and of course there's a shortage of electricity, and where there's no where there is electricity, there is like huge amount of bills because people are using air conditioned. So
It's actually like really really hot. Like this time, like this
because
year,
in
it's very
Pakistan,
hot.
see, the Pakistan Garmi is like the summer, it's not only heat. Like in Kuwait, it's a dry heat. Okay, so even if like you're using fan, it's like okay if you're indoors. But in Pakistan, it's like I think it's a humid heat.
Mhm.
So, and especially towards the end of the June and the starting of the July because the monsoon season is
Oh
starting.
god. So
it
imagine
becomes
like heat and then
very
rain
humid.
at the same time.
Humid, yeah. But I think because of the monsoon season in Garmi ki chutti, because of the rains, barish and everything, even though बहुत मसले होते हैं, there is a lot of troublesome issues in Pakistan, but गर्मी कम हो जाती है, there is like
I agree.
of course there is like significant decline after the barish and the heat.
Yeah.
So
But anyways, I wanted to like ask you, since Garmi ki chutti and most people travel back to their hometown, like this thing is always there, like her family, like in every family this is there. Nani ka ghar ya dadi ka ghar, like
I was waiting for some controversy.
I know, because no, it's always like paternal grandmother or maternal grandmother, it's
Okay, the thing is, see, if you're living abroad, okay, then nani ka ghar, dadi ka ghar doesn't matter, because you eventually, if you eventually goes to your dadi ka ghar, okay, because of course it's dadi, so you have
Yeah,
to go there.
can.
If you're like living abroad and you're visiting, so then it depends on your holiday. If you're visiting for 2 months, then 1 month should be at dadi ka ghar and 1 month should be nani ka ghar.
like
It will be
split it,
that.
like split in between.
Yeah, like equal amount. But yeah, if you're like visiting from abroad, then of course equal amount of time should be like appropriate. But if you're living in dadi ka ghar, then like your nani ka ghar is like your holiday destination.
Okay.
So I think this is kind of appropriate because it's like, and the thing is, I think in Kuwait there's a 3 months holiday, but in Pakistan it's not 3 months, it's around 2 months, 2.5 months holiday.
Depends
It
on-
depends on the country, because so in Kuwait there's a lot of a big summer thing, because it's a summer country or hot country, so it's like, so they give like a long time of period, so the heat waves which is going on right now doesn't affect the kids and the studies, you know. Okay, now because we're talking about heat and visiting to your home country, what do you think about shadis in summer, especially in Pakistan? If
Okay,
there's,
shadi
shortage
in
of electricity,
general-
light jari and all that.
Shadi in general, they're very long, and then like you're wearing like kapre. Like I don't know about guys, but I know about girls. Like you're wearing like thick kapre. It usually ho jata hai, like lehenge mein or like anarkali or something. You're wearing thick kapre.
It's not thick. It's
Like it's more a lot of
layers,
fabric.
layers.
It's a lot of fabric.
A lot of layers.
So like
And
makeup layers, and then your hair is open, and then like
Just imagine you have a open hair and then you're sweating from your neck. See, it's not only about girls, okay? I'm going to take side for the boys.
No, I'm
and the
just
men
saying
as
that I
well.
know about girls. I don't know
Yeah.
about guys. That's what I said.
Yeah, comparatively, yeah. I mean, boys have short hair and everything and all that. But because it's a shadi thing, so they also have to wear something very, shadi type.
Like shimmery.
Yeah,
bhara hua.
yeah, exactly. Abhi to, you find this kurtas and suits. They have to wear suits.
No, I'm just saying
Summer.
shadi in general, even if it's in winter, it's in general it's very long and very tiring.
It depends.
So just imagine like all of that in like
It's
garmi.
tiring, I agree, but it's not very long. It depends upon the shadi. Some people, they just do, nowadays there's a trend of going out doing like one event.
Oh.
It's like they do nikah, and then in the morning and in the evening they just do reception, which like bride and groom both collaborate, both do it together. It's called shalima apparently. Now people who stay back, who doesn't travel, like us. Who we don't travel, what about your routines?
Oh god. I sleep at 7 a.m. I wake up at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. But like I deserve it, okay? I stayed up all night for my exams. I deserve that, okay? At least until June. Until
Okay,
like
but
June
you
I
can
deserve
do the
it.
same thing, if you like sleep early and you can wake up at like 7. So from 7 you have like time till 10, 12 in the night. No?
Mama, रात की the vibes of the night is like something completely different, and I'm not a morning person. I'm a night owl.
She just trying to say that because everybody is sleeping, the father is sleeping, the younger brother is sleeping, so she can like read and watch whatever she wants
See, okay, I'm gonna be honest.
without being disturbed. We're coming to the end of the topic. I just want to acknowledge the one thing that stresses me for travel. Whenever I travel, okay, whether it's summer holiday.
Oh,
whether
the
it's
shopping.
Shopping.
Oh, the shopping.
For the
Oh,
people. The first thing is that you have to keep in a record that like gave you things, okay,
Okay.
and who send you things. So you have to like keep in record कि किसने क्या क्या दिया था.
oh yeah. So like,
Yeah.
if you don't like, okay, so
if I'm traveling,
if I don't give them back, उनको बुरा लग जाएगा कि हम
Yeah,
लेकर आए and they didn't get it from me.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, that's
And
so
then,
like
people who travel back to Kuwait, they of course bring us things. So when we travel, we have to keep in touch कि उन्होंने किसने दिया था और क्या दिया था. So we have to like.
We also have to get it.
They-
So I do feel like कि लोग, not only when they go to Pakistan, but when they go to like out bahar bhi, like when they go, they do bring something. So like whenever you're traveling, even if you're just like traveling मतलब Dubai या ऐसे, you have to bring things.
Yeah, of course. Even like if they don't expect it, it's just a basic manners. Okay, so you have to do it. But it like, for me, it stresses me out because I want to like give them good gifts, but I have a set budget, and then you
So
have
not only budget, it's about time as well, like time
yeah, so,
management.
like, that's what I'm saying, because it's a set budget, so you have to like roam around a lot of shops to find good thing in a certain amount of cash. So
and then you have to negotiate, you have to alag karna
yeah,
hai.
some people doesn't negotiate, but yeah, I mean you have to do it, and then you have to like make sure, like when I make a list, I'm a very organized person, so when I make a list for in front of each person, I said what they prefer. you know, what their taste is. So like it's kind of a big hassle for me. Another thing for summer, the stress thing. Shopping is definitely for the parents. For the kids is their board results.
No, why did you bring that up? So my board exams started
So even
in
if it's CBSE, like
CBSE happens before summer.
no, even if it's CBSE, which is like a federal board of India, or if it's a federal board of Pakistan, okay, or it's a federal board of Israel,
Whatever,
Jordan,
Jody.
whatever. Everyone's result they get it in June.
Actually,
Yeah, everyone.
Okay,
it's
so-
like during summer holidays.
so
Some
IG
schools, like in Arab schools, they actually closes their school like earlier in the June. So their results comes like during June. So
Oh.
yeah.
Okay, so IGCSE we get our results like in August,
yeah.
August 14, 13, like in that week, like the
Yeah,
teens.
the first week of August.
Not first.
Yeah.
second week of August. And okay, let me just tell you one thing. My board started in April 2nd. April 2nd or 3rd was like my first board exam. It ended 3 days before Bakra Eid.
You actually have chosen.
That's true, but then like just say like I had a friend Yusuf, he gave bio. So bio was like 13.
The last one, yeah.
It was the last one and it was
Days after
13.
your school, yeah. So yeah, but that's the stress thing. So I will suggest all the best for the kids who are going to get the results. I know this year there are a lot of people that we personally know who will be getting the results.
Okay, so think about results.
And I think most of the mothers are coming back before the results are announced.
See, I'm not really that scared for my results, like as you said. I mean, obviously there's like that stress and
Stress is
anxiety,
there, of course.
but like I already like know what I did good and I know like I did my best.
Yeah.
I already
And of course,
prepared her.
Of course, there's a hope. By some miracle you get a good mark.
No, I know I'll get good marks. I'm just like, skeptical about maths. But like, because maths paper was very tough this year. And it was not only by me, but like other people who I also gave
Even
exams.
Teachers, I spoke to
Teachers,
teachers,
our family friends who gave math, they were also said it was difficult. But like, you know what? Bismillah and just open your results on August.
Yeah.
This is a rule in our house. I already told her. I was like, do not bring up the board like result day until August starts.
Yeah. No, the thing about IGC, what I personally like is that they have like a set date and a set time. That this is the time, the result will announce in this time, and this is a date they will announce on that date. So
Yeah.
like people are actually prepared. But for I know for CBSE, because it happened to me, I have given CBSE and a federal board. It's not announced.
Yeah, it's not announced. They get it like on a random day.
So we know it's like towards the May, June, but you don't know when.
Okay, so my friends,
So
they
like,
started 11th.
You know, it's like you're very nicely sleeping or visiting friends or going for a movie, and then suddenly your mother calls and tells that results are out. Come here. Come back home.
Okay, that's what happened to you. Okay, for this
Yeah,
this year, my friends who gave it, they got like a notice 1 week before the results.
Oh, okay.
So they did get a notice, but then like 1 week is like so panicky.
it's way better.
Actually, recently I found pictures. Like we were watching pictures, actually old pictures, and I found a picture of my mom and her friend group. Let me tell you, they were not stylish at all.
was
But
stylish at
except
that
for
time.
Siji auntie, like Siji auntie was like, damn, okay, she was stylish.
You guys, you better be listening and you keep this in the record that Iman said that you were not stylish, okay? That time it was very stylish.
No, I mean like that time, yeah, but like, अपने हिसाब से, like in a Gen Z way, none of you guys were stylish except Siji
Yeah,
auntie.
we were very nice girls.
Yeah, you guys really look like.
We were plain girls, not.
Yeah, you guys look.
We were not stylish, but we were never bad.
Yeah,
We were
that's why
plain.
like. I'm not saying you
We
guys
were
look
plain.
bad. You guys
Yeah.
looked really nice, but like I'm just saying that stylish lihaz se, Siji auntie looked the best.
Yeah. The thing is, okay, for us, the fashion was like not the priority. We used to like sit and we talk and
Gossip,
and
yeah.
together. Yeah, that was our priority. We like to enjoy our life without being into tension of being into fashion.
Yeah.
Trends
Which
and all
is okay, which is better, I feel like.
Yeah, exactly.
I mean, this generation, like, you need to, otherwise you'll get made fun of. But like, उस ज़माने में भी शायद like
Yeah, there
ज़्यादा
were
नहीं
things
था.
like people used to get like maybe bullied, like slightly bullied and made fun of and all that.
But it's not as bad as it
It
is.
wasn't bad, and then it depends on which crowd you hang out with.
Mhm.
So yeah, and I think in Kuwait especially, I think, and because I studied in Indian schools, I think in Kuwait, in Indian school, I think bullying is very, very.
No.
Again,
उस ज़माने में.
it depends on the school also.
That's true.
Okay, so
I'm not saying that my school is like any like bura or like bad or anything, but I'm just saying कि, you know, bullying happens like anywhere.
Yeah. I have heard couple of schools have had issues with bullying and all that, but yeah, because our school was strict, our principal was very, very strict. So yeah.
Like as I said, the time was very different. Like उस ज़माने में like कुछ और था, इस ज़माने में कुछ
Gen
और
Z and
था.
millennials,
Yeah. Like उस ज़माने में कुछ और था. But I
Anyways,
think we should move on.
Yeah, move on. So our गर्मी की छुट्टी is done now. Okay.
So now that we're done with this, let's go on for the second segment, which is the game segment. So we're gonna do Would You Rather Garmi Ki Chutti, and I do not know what I'm gonna ask. So we're just gonna go back and forth and just see what we're gonna
Yeah.
do. So today we're gonna be doing Would You Rather Garmi Ki Chutti edition. So would you rather? And also before we start, guys, go on the comments and actually, you know, put what your answers for the Would You Rather would be. Okay?
Yeah, exactly, and make it fun.
Make it fun, yeah, and make it juicy.
Yeah. We will. We want to read it, and then and the best comment we will definitely read it on it.
Yeah, we'll give you guys a shout out on our next video.
Yeah.
But
Okay, you start.
I start. Okay.
You ask me first.
Would you rather stay without light or stay without pani, which is water? So without light or without water?
Without light is fine. Without water.
Without water is just so bad. So light, man, I feel like in light, if you're like around family and like you don't really realize it that much.
Even if there's no family, okay. Without light, you can survive. Without water, you cannot.
Okay, lassi or ganne ka juice, which is sugarcane juice. So lassi, which is buttermilk,
Yeah.
buttermilk,
Or laban.
Yeah. And ganne ka juice is sugarcane juice. So
Yeah. So for me, it depends.
I'm a lassi type of girl, man. I love
it
lassi.
depends, okay. If I'm in Pakistan, definitely lassi, because in Pakistan you get this balai. And
Oh,
everything.
okay.
I love
I actually want the next time I go to Pakistan, that's like on my list that I need to try.
But then if you're like walking outside or you've been outside and you need to refresh yourself immediately, then I will definitely go with ganne ka juice.
It's a would you rather this or this? Come on, don't make it complicated.
Okay, ganne ka juice.
Okay, I'm a lassi girl, so
Okay.
the beach or the pool?
Pool.
Beach. I love the beach way too much.
Okay, Kuwait beach, sand is hot, water is hot. Pool, in shaded, cold. So
No, for me, I don't know why. Like ever since like I went to the beach, like every time I go to the beach, I feel so relaxed. I love my feet in the sand, the way my feet feel in the sand, or like I love the way the waves crash, and it's my favorite place in the world.
okay, ice cream or gola ganda. Gola ganda is like you can say it's slush.
No. I know what it is. It's crushed snow cones.
Snow cones.
It's snow cones.
So ice cream or snow cones or slushy. Slushy also come in the snow.
Kinda.
Yeah.
But it's basically ice, and then they put flavor on it, and then you just eat it. So
Yeah. Gola ganda.
Gola ganda.
No.
There is no comparison with gola ganda.
Especially in
Pakistan gola
heat.
ganda.
And heat. But I prefer to eat ice cream in winters.
Yeah, same.
I think eating ice cream in winters is way more fun than in summer.
Okay, so I ate ice cream, and I also ate gola ganda in Pakistan. And let me tell you, when you get the gola ganda, it's like this big. It's actually really big.
Really huge.
Okay, and usme like side mein, so there's like red flavoring, then green, and then purple, and then they have like this a lot of flavorings, and then on top of that they put condensed milk. So at first I was not gonna get condensed milk, but then my chachu, he told me that it's really good if you like, you know, eat it with a condensed milk. So I believed him, and I was sharing with another person. So I was like, okay, you know what? I believe him, and I just got it. Let me tell you how good that was. Oh my god! I've had gola ganda in Kuwait before, but like nothing compares to Pakistan.
No, Pakistan, there's
Nothing
no comparison.
compares to Pakistan.
I'm not saying it's bad, of course, because
No.
in India also you'll get a good gola ganda.
Yeah, but I'm just saying nothing compares to Pakistani gola ganda,
Yeah.
in my opinion.
Anyway, so cold drink or cold sharbat.
Sharbat. Oh, okay.
Like, fizzy drink like Pepsi, Coke, Fanta, and all
or
that.
Vimto or
Or
Ruafza.
Ruh Afza, Tang.
Cold drink. I'm sorry. I know that's very unhealthy.
Yeah, most people go with
But
cold
I have to go with the cold drink. Okay, wait. Are you a nightlife or early bird?
I'm also nightlife.
See, she's judging me, and then she herself slept at
I
like
am
no.
mother.
She
I am a
herself
mother.
she herself
I have
slept.
paid my dues. Come
No.
on.
She herself slept at 11 a.m. in the morning.
No, today I had to awake and like support my husband. I was being a good wife.
Or you were binge watching K dramas.
No.
Uh-huh.
I finished.
Oh, you
I
finished?
finished.
Yeah. See.
No, I finished it last night. So yeah.
Whatever, mama. Whatever. Okay, wait. I have a very controversial one for you. Nani ka ghar ya dadi ka ghar?
Okay.
So paternal grandmother or maternal grandmothers?
Okay, so I used to live with my dadi. So that time we of course prefer Nani ka ghar because change of phase.
Scenery.
Yeah, change of scenery, change of phase. But then again, when we stayed at Nani ka ghar for too long, we used to get bored.
Yeah, because like it's just your nani and your nana.
No,
and
it's not about Nani and Nana because it's not your house. You don't live there regularly, so there are a lot of things is missing.
apna ghar hota hai.
Yeah,
Like it's
apna
your
ghar
own
hota
house is
hai.
like your
Yeah,
own house.
exactly.
You know, nothing can compare.
So-
Like I remember when I stayed in Pakistan, I stayed at my nana's place, I stayed at my dadi's and my puppos, and I loved it because they're my family and I loved staying there. But the minute I came in my house, dil mein sukoon tha. That was like that thing, like
Yeah.
you had your own type of sukoon. So
Okay.
what did you choose? You did not actually
I
answer.
said na
Which ghar?
Nani ka ghar when I was living with
Okay,
my
so
dadi.
nani ghar. Okay.
Okay, so football or water park? Oh no, sorry, so football or water volleyball?
So football.
Water volleyball. In summer, anything water, I'm done.
So football
You
is
have me at the water.
so football is so fun. It's very hurtful, but like it's so funny to do it. Like with the
Yeah.
people like are really bad at like just staying up because like I know for a fact if I go to so football with my family friend group, we're just gonna
It'll be
die
funny,
laughter.
yeah.
We're gonna die out of laughter because everyone loves falling in our group.
Okay, now water park or amusement park?
Water park in summer, water park.
Yeah, definitely. I
Not
agree.
only in summer,
For
like
amusement park, no, for amusement park is way too hot.
yeah, it's way too hot.
And
Like
amusement parks are usually huge, so you have to like
walk and
you have to give like nice 10 to 12 hours and
10 to 12 hours.
yeah, like entertainment.
Okay, that's a
city.
lot. That's a lot.
It's an entertainment city. We used to go in the morning like 10 o'clock and we used to come home at 12 o'clock.
Oh my gosh.
Because she was so huge and that too we haven't like we don't explore the whole
Okay,
thing.
so I feel like amusement park. I love amusement parks. I love scary rides. When I went to so my entire childhood, I used to be really scared of scary rides. So my dad or my mom would be like, "Oh, what will happen when you go to Pakistan? Because Pakistan are known for having very scary rides." I went there and I did the scary rides, and I'm like, "That's fun, yay!"
Anyways, so our game
Segment is over.
over. Now our another segment is our event segment.
Yeah, well, like not event pop culture
what-
or like what's going on, what's
in the-
hot
in the world, yeah.
hot topic.
The hot topic. So since the Eid has just passed, let's talk about Eid.
Okay, sure.
So it's Eid al-Adha, which is Eid celebrated by Muslim after Hajj.
Yeah.
And it's and the way we celebrate it by slaughtering an animal, a barn animal.
Yeah.
So yeah, traditionally it is obviously it was done by lamb. But,
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But you can do it with goat. You can do it with sheep. You can
Cow.
do cow, camel.
Camels, yeah.
Yeah, you can do that. So of course they do it. A lot of people like they do it themselves. Some people like who we are sitting in Kuwait and it's very hot. So we just
I feel like in
send the money to do it in Pakistan, or we like, because see, when you do goat it's like one part. Goat is like the whole thing, but when you do it cow or camel it has like 7 parts, so 7 people can join together and do the qurbani,
Okay.
instead of distributing to everyone. I just made dawat.
The first time when we had it underneath the building, right?
Yeah, no, all the time actually I did that.
Okay, I don't remember. I was way too young to remember.
Yeah, so I did dawat, and then what happened? Whatever the food is left, I actually give them leftover as well.
Oh, yeah, that's, you know, I know this is very off topic, but I really love it when you go to a dawat and then they actually give you the food when you're like leaving. Arey roko bhabhi, ye le jaye khana, and it's like it's rude to ask for it, but when you're gonna give it, I'm not gonna shy away and say no because
Yeah. So there are my aunties, Shahina auntie. We go to her house
first day of Eid,
first
dinner.
day for dinner. Every
Eid.
First day of the
Yeah. Her biryani is so damn good. Oh shit.
Okay. So for me personally, she makes amazing biryani. Stop it, Iman. Okay. She makes amazing biryani, and her biryani tastes like my mom's. And that's the only recipe I could not get before my mom passed away. So whenever I go and eat biryani at her place, it just reminds me of Ammi.
Okay, the funny thing
she
is,
herself makes it.
and at first we didn't actually wait. Let me say something.
No, let me just finish.
Let me say
She
something.
only makes it because she knows that how much we love that biryani.
I was literally going to say this, man.
Yeah.
So like every time we go, right? So she's like, oh, biryani bani, and we're like always really happy. And every time we go, we always like, हमें biryani बहुत पसंद है. So I think last time when we went, so like before, like last year, when we went for Eid al-Fitr, she told us that she was gonna make plow, but then she realized like we only come for her biryani, so she made biryani for us.
Yeah, not only plow. Shaida auntie was suggesting that we should make
Something new.
Chinese, something different. So Shaina auntie said no.
बिल्कुल नहीं.
बिल्कुल नहीं. Faiza सिर्फ Faiza उसके बच्चे बिरयानी खाने आते हैं.
And I really love that, No, wait, एक minute. And I really love the fact, क्योंकि when you go to someone's house and they give you food, obviously कम ही देते, like थोड़ा सा they give up everything. These people, they know that we love their biryani so much. इतना बड़ा, like they bring like this big of a container and they put biryani in it for us, just for us. And
we eat there.
And then we come home and we eat again.
Yeah, and they come home, they eat little bit, but then the save it and they'll eat it next day. And it's like a huge portion she gave us because she knows that
we love it.
Me not particularly, but my kids love it. So of course,
and
she does it.
This
shout out to Shaina.
Yeah.
Thank you, Shaina and Shaida auntie. Thank you so much for that.
This year, for the first time, I actually tried something other than their biryani. I tried their salan. I really liked it. But other than that, like for the past 6-7 years I've been going to their house, I only eat biryani there. And I'm not a picky person. I do eat everything. Yeah. But I just cannot, like when you say biryani,
her biryani just hit very different.
No, when you see that like biryani, right? You kuch aur nazar nahi aata. You just don't want to see anything.
Her biryani is amazing. Her biryani, she makes biryani and Shahida auntie makes lasagna. Amazing.
Mama मुंह में पानी आ रहा है, बस कर दे. Okay, but shout out to them. They're amazing people. Thank you so much for that. But I think, oh shit. But I think,
so since we did this or that for our game, let's do a little bit this Eid Dawat. So, goat or sheep?
Goat or sheep? Sheep.
Bakra or dumba?
Bakra.
Goat. Cow or camel?
Cow.
Of course. Okay, Dawat at home or go to the Dawat?
Okay, go to the Dawat. I hate the... Okay, see. I love when people come over like randomly, like मजा आता है. But even अगर like दावत होती है, right? The build up is so long. मतलब we start preparing for weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks before, and it's so irritating.
It's not weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks. Okay, it's just that I'm because organized, so I have to make a list.
So yeah, she makes a list, and it's really. I want to spend my Eid getting ready. I want to spend my Eid getting ready, not.
I want to just remind her of all this talk she is doing it. Okay, she's the one who enjoys the most, and when she will not be able to attend this kind of dawat, that this is the thing you will miss most.
I love attending dawats. I just don't like having it at my place.
Of course, everybody love attending dawat. When you go attend other people's dawat, you have to call them also. You cannot just always go in.
That's what you're for. That's what why you're here. You're gonna call them for us.
Moving on. Kaleji or katakat brain wala?
I don't like either.
You have to choose one.
I don't like either.
Choose one.
This is like one thing I refuse to eat, which is katakat and brain. But I think brain maybe.
Yeah, you have refused to eat it, but I have actually fed.
Yeah, see, I try everything and then I decide if I like it or not. So, and I don't
but
like.
I have fed you like 3-4 times.
Yeah, she has, but I don't like it.
Okay. Biryani, gosh ka biryani या gosh ka pulao?
You do not just that me. Gosht ka biryani.
Gosh ki biryani.
Yeah.
Okay. Eid al-Adha or Eid al-Fitr?
Eid al-Fitr, we get money.
No, some people give it on Eid al-Adha also. So that's what my next was. Prefer to get Eidi or prefer to get meat?
Eid, of course. That seems so shallow. I know, I'm sorry. But like, Eid, come on, guys. There's only a few years left. Can we get the Eid, not have to give it, okay?
Yeah.
So let me just cherish that.
Anyway, it was really nice.
This segment was very fun, actually.
But yeah, it was very nice talking about these topics, and yeah, it's fun, it's light topics. These topics that everybody does it, but they don't talk about it. So yeah, it was very nice and fun to talk to.
Let me know your answers in the comments, like for both the Eid al-Adha one and the Garmi Ki Chutti edition.
Yeah,
So let me know and post it on your comments.
And tell your routines also
Yeah.
for summer holidays and for your Eid Dawat, and did you do Dawat?
So guys, this turned into a really long time, but I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, if you're on YouTube, please like, subscribe, share. If you're on Spotify, like and follow, and just stay tuned. Thank you very much for watching this episode.
Yeah. And thank you so much for those people who were
waiting for these episodes.
and they were keep asking us. Thank you so much for your support. We really
appreciate, honestly.
And
thank you so much.
Well.
Yeah.
We will try to do our best more. And do give us. Thank you so much. See you in the next segment.
Bye.